Was a kinder, simpler time when men were men and sheep were scared. Manufacturer would kiss you before they fuck you. Nowadays, you can't even get a piece of gear with an inline fuel filter. Of course, all the fuel filters are in the tank because of high pressure injection lines. However, if you got a 5/16 rubber hose going from the pump to the fuel rail, chances are it's not high enough pressure that you can't filter it right there in the line. It's so bad the fuel filter isn't even mentioned on the service manual. It's a non-user serviceable part. Anybody what's been on a farm knows there's generally a thief tank. Nasty old farmer's trick is to keep a thief's tank of fuel around. You put all the dirty dregs in an easily accessible tank. Somebody comes in the middle of the night to steal a dram of your finest, gets a nasty surprise. I amalgamate my thief tank in my regular tank, just don't let it get so low that I get sediment in my tank. But if I do, in my equipment, no big deal, because all my equipment has easily serviceable inline fuel filters. Right? Wrongo. Some ignorant fuck engineer doesn't know his ass from his elbow, backed by a smarmy salesman, puts the filter in the gas tank and then puts a gland on there, what you gotta beat on like a monkey at the fucking zoo, and she still won't come. Got the 18-inch pipe wrench, got the old slag hammer. That was my nickname in university. Got the punch, got the Jeezeless curses, and still she will not come. Maybe it's left-hand thread. Nah, it ain't left-hand thread. It's just on there forever. But, partner, have I got a trick for you. As witnessed by the apprentice marks, I give her a tentative tappy tap tap. What we're gonna do is use the only bloody thing with Alice Crapco makes any fucking good at all. Rock hose. You get these without the branding. They're just not as cool. I wrap that around like, yeah. I think you're rolling what I'm smoking. You cinch up on the old lobster. And then, she ain't gonna go. If somebody else was doing the job, I'd suggest peeing on it, but since I gotta touch it, always grips better that way. We're gonna need a little tappy tap tap action.
These guys got enough jerk material. They don't need fucking
If they see my face, it'll be like the Ark of the Covenant.
burn everyone's eyes out.
Ta-da!
If you've ever done any evil in your life, you're fucking dead.
Fuck you, dear John. Fuck you. Should put some gloves on here. Don't want to fade out my tattoos. Sick tats, brah. Let me tell you, nobody fucks with you when you got Sharpie tattoos on your arm by your daughter.
Nobody fucks you when you put fucking tactical gloves on.
You want to make something of it? First day with my new cameraman. He's nicknamed Duclaw for a reason.
You want to take that who's off there?
The noozle for the who's?
The who's? With the who's on the who's?
Don't you need some sort of special thing?
I don't know.
Ooh,
Yeah, exactly.
right into the tank. Not to worry, it's proprietary.
Do it. Or to crack, perfect.
Oh, it's not even a fucking filter, it's a screen, you dirty cocks. Fucking call this the Tavalnak. It's a mystery wrapped in an enigma. This is one of those things make you wish that a robot would take your job.
Yep.
Look at this fucking piece of shit.
You see it's got like a float in there, right? A big arm that's...
Oh, for fuck's sakes. So we got to take the float off in order to get it out of the tank. So that means that they would have had to assemble that. Oh, maybe there's just enough room without all this valence on there just to wedge it in kind of sideways. Managed to get her out. Swabbed the deck there in the bottom with a little homemade tampon. Not tea bags, some schmoo in there. But the filter, is it good? Is it bad? Who knows? Schrodinger's filter. We won't know until we see a new filter to compare it. So unfortunately out here on the Outer Rim, it'll take me a few months to get it. COVID. There's the high pressure pump, same as every other pump. For some reason requires the filter on the inside of the tank. This deserves a hearty laugh it up, you fucking fucks. In addition to a fuck you. Fucking goofs. No reason for that at all. None. Give your head a shake, dirty bastages. Oh, right. The real reason is money. Let's get this back in, see how long she'll run. And we know how to do it now. We know the filters are coming and so forth. So, yeah. We broke the prime directive. If it ain't broke, don't fucking fix it until it is.